ArchLite, we produce technical drawings for architects and designers. This means that we can take it from a concept sketch all the way through schematic, DD, and construction drawings, ready for permit. The key differentiator is that we are an architect-to-architect type business. This is big because that means that we have architects on staff that are board certified that can translate what your concepts are into actual technical drawings.
With ArchLite, I'm able to expand the amount of services I can provide for a client. And at the same time, I can condense the schedule and get it done in a faster amount of time.
We are category agnostic. That means we do everything from industrial, multifamily, entertainment, and medical. Whatever your style is, we match.
Currently, I have 10 active projects, and it's a real demand on me. And thanks to ArchLite, I'm able to delegate a lot of the responsibilities and production over to their team so that I can, continue to provide good or great architectural service to my clients.
Every morning for my clients, it's like Christmas. They get new presents, they get new drawings, they get new renderings every morning after they wake up. We are your secret weapon on the war of profitability. We're your outsourced architectural team that will help you come in on time and on budget.